Hi guys, a special Hyderabadi dessert recipe known as double ka meetha or Shahi Tukda. Let's see how to make it perfectly. First we need to make a rabdi for double ka meetha, and for that we have taken 1 liter of milk and added it to a heavy bottom vessel so that the milk doesn't get burned. Here the milk which we are using is of 2% fat. You can use any kind of milk to make rabdi, but the milk having more fat content will be better. Now till the milk comes to a boil, we will keep it over a high heat, but as soon as the milk starts boiling, we will keep the heat to a low and let this boil till it comes to half or 1/3. Let the milk boil over a low heat, and by the time we will cut our bread slices. We have taken here 6 leftover bread slices. Leftover because they get dried in the refrigerator, and we want dried bread slices because when we will fry them they will absorb less oil. After cutting out hard edges, let's cut them in triangles. Now on the other side, our milk has been boiling since half an hour. It has become half in volume but is still not thick, so we added half a cup of milk powder as we are using low fat milk. Keep on stirring in between and let this continue boiling over low. By the time we will fry our bread pieces, and for that we have taken clarified butter, DESI ghee. After the ghee melts down and is hot, we will add the bread pieces to it, and we will fry them on medium to high so that they don't absorb too much of ghee in themselves, and take them out when they are nice, crisp, golden in color. It will take you hardly a minute or two to fry them. We are almost done with the frying. It took us about 100 ml of DESI ghee clarified butter to fry these pieces. Let's now strain out the excess ghee. On the other side, it has been an hour since our milk has been boiling. It has now become about 1/3 of what it was. Let's add half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder in it. Mix and we will put off the stove below. You can see the thick milk on spatula, and the drops falling have also become quite thick. This ensures that the rabdi is ready, and when it cools down it will become much more thicker than what it is now. And after this we are required to make a sugar syrup. For that we have taken 1 cup of sugar. To this we added half a cup of water. Let the sugar melt in water at a low heat, and after the sugar melts we will put the heat to high and let this to boil till we get a 1 thread consistency. From the back of spatula we will take a little bit of sugar syrup between our thumb and index finger, and like this test it. If the stickiness is of 1 thread, then it's perfect. Now put off the heat below and add half a lemon to this sugar syrup to stop crystallization of sugar. Then immediately to this we will add fried bread pieces and let them remain in the sugar syrup not more than 30 seconds. If they remain for a longer time in sugar syrup, they will absorb too much of sugar syrup in themselves. Then quickly strain out the pieces. Now comes the last serving step. We have arranged the bread pieces. Over this we will pour the maid rabdi. This double ka meetha or Shahi Tukda is always served warm. And after pouring rabdi, we will add dry fruits to it. Few raisins, kishmish, few chopped almonds, badam, and few cashews, kaju. Guys, hope you like this double ka meetha Shahi Tukda recipe. Then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share this recipe with your family and friends. You can give your valuable feedback and comments in the comment section below, or follow us on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Let's meet with another interesting recipe. Till then, enjoy this one and bye-bye.